everyone, today I am Jyoti Chauhan is going to speak on the topic importance of emotional health for a happy life. As we all know that we are fighting from a very dangerous coronavirus, and for fighting from it, I think we all have to be emotionally very strong. In today's time, we all are depressed somewhere, like some people are depressed for their jobs, some from their personal problems, and many other things. So many research shows that emotional health is a skill. There are many steps that take to improve your emotional health and to be happier. Emotional health allows you to work productively and cope with the stresses of everyday life. It can help you realize your full potential. It helps you work with other people and contribute to the society. It also affects your physical health, and research shows a link between unbeat mental state and physical signs of good health. Being emotional healthy doesn't mean you are happy all the time. It means you are aware of your emotions. You can deal whether they are positive or negative. Emotionally healthy means that you can fight with any kind of disease, whether it is coronavirus, your heart disease, your blood pressure, or your weight. Being emotional healthy gives you an automatic feeling like you are very happier from inside as well as outside, and it is also affecting your personal as well as professional life, of your way of talking another people. How are you talking? Your behavior, your thoughts are changed automatically. uh, when you are strong emotionally, you feel like very confident. It's a feeling of confidence that I am emotionally fit. I can show everyone that I am not less from anyone. So I think you all have to be very emotionally strong, mentally strong, and physically in this very bad time for all of us. So be brave and be happy.